Hello beautiful family, welcome back to my channel. Yes guys, so we are back again to show you how I did achieve these beautiful butterfly locks. So I went ahead to single braid all her hair. I don't know, single braid or twist. Yes, so I started on that with single braid. So I already did the back of the hair. I didn't want to just show everything because it's the same thing, it's the same thing I'm going to do from back to front. So I decided, okay, let me just show the front how I did achieve this look. So all I did is just crochet I'm using, by the way, I'm using Expression Kinky hair and Water Wave Freetress hair. So I went ahead to I'm using two strands out of the Water Wave hair, and the quantity of hair that you want to use, it depends on how you want, the size that you want your butterfly to look. My client didn't want her hair that rough. She wanted it a smooth look with some butterfly effect on it, So I'm going to be using my thumb to do the butterfly, as you can see, and just go ahead to wrap all the kinky hair with the Water Wave. It's so easy. Like, you can do it on your hair, you can do it on anybody, and it's so beautiful, guys. And doing this method, your hair is like secure, and trust me, she didn't feel any pain. If you have to like braid the hair first and crochet it and just wrap it the way I'm doing, trust me, you're painless. Like, painless, no pain. Yes. So when I reached the under of it, what I did is most of the time it's not like enough to reach at the end. So I'm going to, when the Freetress hair is finished, I use the kinky hair to complete the under. Why I did that is because when you use the kinky hair to complete the under of it, it makes it stronger and it makes the hair not to loosen that fast. When you do the butterfly locks, it tends to like ravel off back. So when you use this one, it's gonna stay in place. And I'm just gonna cut the ends of it, the remains of the hair, and that's gonna be it. So I'm going to tie it there, and then I wrap the rest going back up. So you can watch me as I do it. So I always try to measure it, that way I do the same line, all of them can be leveled the same. And when I'm done, you see, I wrap it all the way up and just take my scissors and cut the remains, and that's it. Don't bother to bun it, that way, when you bun the hair, it tends to like I don't know, it sometimes sticks to my dress or to my client's dress. They always tell me don't bun it. So for me, I feel like it's not necessary. If you tie the ends well and just cut it close where you tied, it's gonna stay in place just like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead to do the same thing all over again till I'm done with the remains of the hair, as you can see. And that's gonna be the look, guys. And trust me, this hair is so beautiful. Like, you can keep it for as long as you want, and it's that kind of hair when it's getting old, oh my god, it looks more prettier. Trust me, if you have this on your hair, you can carry for almost 3 months. If you're that kind of person that carry your hair for that long, you can, trust me, you can carry for long. And you see the way I did it, like, is that smooth. The more it's going older, the more it became a little bit rough. It's not gonna be like too rough, like it's gonna be looking like a natural hair. You'll be thinking like that person have dreadlocks under that. It looks like dreadlocks anyway. So it's so pretty, it's so and it's light. That's why I say you can actually carry it for a long time. And one thing again is that it's easy to maintain because you don't need nothing at all. You can literally just wake up and be going. Or you can even fix your hair in the car because it's gonna be like bend when you sleep, You can use your hand just to do it. It's so easy to maintain. It's like easy maintenance. All you have to do is like maybe put some oil under your scalp, and that's it, guys. So it's like the easiest hair I can always recommend for people that don't like to comb their hair and they don't like too much work on their hair. So it's very easy. And guys, I usually do wigs on this kind of hair too, so I make wigs for a style like this. And if you want that, you can like hit me up and then I'll do that for you. So after crocheting the hair, I went ahead to wrap it like 3 to 4 times. That way it's really secured, and I make sure not to hold it too tight, guys. You don't want to do that. If you do it too tight, trust me, you're gonna have headache instantly, even on your hair or client. Try to braid it a little bit loose, and after you're done, apply some oil on it, because if you do it too tight, you're going to break your hair. If it's too tight, you break your hair. It's a protective style, but you don't have to do it too tight. So that's what I did. Merry Christmas, guys, and Happy New Year in advance. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you know I did good on this hair. Subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family. And I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.